Okay, let's try to solve a numerical problem which was asked in joint entrance examination JEE Mains 2022. It's related to photoelectric effect or the structure of the atom that we are discussing right now. The question says the minimum energy that must be possessed by photons in order to produce the photoelectric effect with platinum metal is. They have given four options, and they have also given the work function, the threshold frequency of platinum metal, which is 1.3 into 10 to the power 15 per second of hertz. According to Einstein, Albert Einstein, who got Nobel Prize for Physics in 1905 for describing the photoelectric effect, how is that occurring, and giving a mathematical equation for that. It is based on the principle of conservation of energy. It says that there's a metal and a right amount of light or electromagnetic wave with a minimum amount of energy needed falls on it, it will be able to eject electrons from it. The energy of the electron or and energy of the photon, how the energy of the electron, the energy of the photon are related, it's given by this. It says that the total energy of the photon, h nu, Planck's constant into frequency is equal to h nu naught, which is the threshold frequency of the of that metal, of that particular metal. In our case, this is platinum. It may be any other metal which will have the work, which is also known as the minimum energy required for the photoelectric effect to happen, and it's also called work function, or W naught, plus plus half mv square, where me is the mass of the electron and v with the velocity of the electron, which will depend on the energy of the photon, or the energy possessed by the photon. So whatever energy possessed by the photon will be utilized in removing the electron from the metal, which will call work function, and whatever energy remains, it will transform to kinetic energy of the electron, which is given by half mv square, right? But in this question, what we are required to calculate is the minimum energy. The minimum energy the photon must possess. The minimum energy photon must possess this much. This is the minimum energy, and which is also known as work function, is given by h into nu naught. H is Planck's constant, having value of 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and the threshold frequency, the minimum frequency required by the photon is how much, or the threshold frequency of the metal is 1.3 into 10 to the power 15 is given, right? The threshold frequency is given 1.3 into 10 to the power 15 per second. So what remains, since it is the unit of Planck's constant is joule second, and this is joule is per second, so second per second will be nullified. What remains is joules. That is energy. Work function is minimum energy or work function, and it's unit to the joule. And the answer is 8.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. An option, it's like exact number is not given. It's 8.58 is the nearest option, so you have to tick that option. Hope you understand this one. Photoelectric effect.